Hey, this is John Rollins, and this is my 1991 Chevy K5 Blazer. This thing is very, very clean. It is rust-free 100%. It was a California vehicle for almost its entire life. I ended up picking the vehicle up in Oregon, Southern Oregon, and shipped the thing in. I had it custom wrapped, so it's got 3M psychedelic film on it, white top. I have the top. The top's in beautiful shape. 22-inch fuel forged wheels. It's got a 350 in it. It's got an automatic. It runs perfect. Oil pressure is perfect. This thing is very, very clean. The headlights are wrapped as well, so the bottoms and then the high beams, if you don't like that, you can peel all that off. They're 22 by 10 fuel forged FF39s, I believe. They're a 305 NITTO 420 tire. The inside is very clean as well. Let me turn the radio down. It's got all the power options. Door panels are in good shape. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, bucket seats, no rips or tears. $151,322 miles. Now this does have AC. It does have a small leak. I did have it charged, and it did hold for about a year, but it did leak out. Pioneer Bluetooth radio, brake controller, four-wheel drive is down here on the floor. And there's your center console, plenty of storage inside. The dash does have 2 cracks, one there, one there. So if you're familiar with these old square bodies, every one of them cracks. This is very very clean. It's not that bad. Pioneer 6x9s in the rear. It's got new speakers in the front corners. It's got new rear speakers. It does have 2 10-inch Pioneer subwoofers. It runs absolutely perfect, straight as an arrow. The alignment's perfect. There's no noises, there's no issues. This thing starts up every single time. I've never had one single problem with this other than the AC. Again, a 350 engine. It's got a newer interstate battery. I'm going to show you underneath, because everyone that's going to have one of these K5s, they're all going to be rusted out. This thing is super, super clean. There is zero rust anywhere. It's got new urethane bushings for the springs. It does not leak anything whatsoever. I parked it inside my garage. It's never had a leak. Four-wheel drive works flawlessly. The color, when it's overcast, it looks kind of like like a shadow gray, but when the sun hits it, you can see it's got that flip-flop color in it. If you look at the hood there, you can kind of see it. It's got spacers on the rear wheels. These Blazers track in. They have the wheels set in. So whenever I put the wheels on it, put spacers on it, brings all the wheels completely flush. Again, it's super clean. It's actually a really nice vehicle. I wrapped over the top. You can see these are the mounts for the top. Up right here. It's kind of hard to see. But I do have the top. Once I wrapped it, I just honestly planned on never putting the top back on it. So the top is in good shape. All the seals are in good shape. If you have any questions, want any pictures of it, I can text anything to you that you need. Feel free to contact me directly at 614-563-9999. Depending on what you have, I may take a trade. Really, I'm just looking to sell it. I do have financing, and I do have nationwide shipping. Thank you. Here are the factory wheels. They are all in beautiful shape. You got plenty of tire life left. Probably about 65–70%. Here's the top for the Blazer. It just sits inside my building here on a rack. Getting all the glass. Everything's in good shape. All the seals. I've got extra trim you can see up there for a square body around the wheel wells.